Welcome to our culling mode tutorial. To start, open Polarr Next and create a new project. You'll see a dialog box asking whether you would like to cull or edit first. Click Cull, then Continue. Polarr Next AI will begin analyzing your project's metadata. At any time, you can hover over the bottom left portion of the toolbar to check the metadata progress. All metadata must be processed before you can change sorting options or move on to editing. However, you don't need to wait for the analysis to finish before starting to cull and rate your images. Feel free to begin at any time. When entering culling mode, you'll notice the auto group feature is enabled, which automatically groups similar images. To create fewer groups with more images in each, select the Few option. For more groups with fewer images, choose the More option. If you'd prefer to navigate through your images individually, you can simply disable auto grouping. When auto grouping is enabled, you'll see two film strips. The bottom film strip represents the groups, and the top film strip shows the images within the selected group. Use the left and right arrow keys to navigate through groups and images. On the top film strip, when you're on the first or last image, the left and right arrow keys will automatically move to the previous or next group. To switch between the two film strips, press the up and down arrow keys. When auto grouping is disabled, only one film strip will be visible, allowing you to press the left and right arrow keys to navigate through the images individually. On the right side of the viewport, you'll find the Face Focus panel. The AI identifies and highlights faces in your images, providing scores for focus and eye openness to help you pick the best photo in the group. You can adjust the panel size by clicking and dragging the sidebar. If you don't need it, click the arrow on the far right to collapse the Face Focus panel. Polarr Next offers a variety of keyboard shortcuts to streamline your culling process, many of which you may be familiar with if you've used other editors. For star ratings, press keys 1 through 5 to assign stars to the selected photo, and press 0 to remove any star rating. For color labels, press 6 for red, 7 for yellow, 8 for green, and 9 for blue. To remove a color label, press Ctrl 0. For flagging, press P to flag a photo, X to reject it, and U to remove any flag. To hide or delete a photo, press H to hide it, Ctrl H to unhide it, and delete to permanently remove the photo from your hard drive. If you need a refresher, simply click the keyboard icon at the bottom left of the interface to view all shortcuts. While culling, you can either hide or delete photos by right-clicking on the selected photo or pressing the delete key. This will give you the option to hide the photo or permanently delete it from your drive, removing it from the film strip. To view hidden photos, simply click the hidden eye icon in the bottom right corner. Keep in mind, if you choose to delete a photo, the action is permanent. Once you've finished culling, click the Edit Photos button in the top right. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to select images by flags, star ratings, or color labels. Select your desired filters, and Polarr Next will display only those images for editing in the visible film strip. All of the unselected photos will be hidden. In editing mode, you can still access the hidden photos by clicking the hidden eye icon. Rate or assign a label to any hidden photo, unhide it. Watch Polarr Next instantly apply edits to match similar images. To return to culling mode, click the Cull Photos button. You'll have the option to restore all hidden photos or continue culling the selected ones, refining your selection further, along with the edits you've applied in editing mode. If you'd like to fully reset your cull and start from scratch, go to the top left drop-down menu and select Reset Project, and then choose Ratings, Labels, and Flags. And that's it. You're ready to accelerate your photo selection process with culling mode in Polarr Next.